Now, this video is for commercial purposes. When I posted the first video, a lot of you asked me if you can start business with it. Of course, you can start business with the first video. This one is specifically for commercial purposes. Hello, creative bangers. Oh yeah, let me show you how. Instant yeast in a bowl, sugar and warm water mixed to combine very well. Once that is done, I'm going to add cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. I will be adding egg yellow. This is just for coloring. You can add it or skip it. A little goes a long way, please. Just a pinch goes a long way. Don't add too much, please. Mix to combine very well. Moving with your flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. Now I added milk flavor. That is the only flavor that I'm going to be used. I added some salt. Go ahead and start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, now I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface. Creative bangers, please take your time. Since you are not using mixer, take your time and knead this dough properly. Knead till you form a stretchy, smooth dough, just like what you are looking at. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. Okay, now we are going to transfer back into the mixing bowl. Cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to ferment. Okay, 40 minutes later, voila, it has doubled in size. Now pay attention. This could be less than 40 minutes or more than 40 minutes depending on how warm your environment is. Okay, now I transfer to the work surface. Knead for a few seconds again. Okay, this is for the beginners. In case you don't have scale, use this measurement. With this measurement, you will get almost the same size or the same measurement, but I will advise you get a scale. It is very important. Since you want to use this for business, you need a scale. It's a need, not a want. Okay, after forming a ball with each of the dough, cover so that it doesn't dry out while you work on it one after the other. Dust your work surface with some flour. Place one of the balls. Now, I'm going to dust again with some flour. Moving with the rolling pin, you are going to roll as demonstrated. Shout out to you, Bella, watching from Port Harcourt. Onyinye from Abuja. Mary from Ghana. Mary Jane, watching from Nigeria. And Diana, all the way from Malawi. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, after rolling as demonstrated, go ahead and fold. Gently fold as demonstrated. We have done this before. You can check the previous video, or I'm going to leave the link at the comment section. Very important that you check it out, okay? In case you want to add eggs, butter, and milk, please watch the first video, okay, so that you will use the accurate measurement. All right, after sealing, you are going to smoothen it, then go ahead and roll again as demonstrated. Towards the ending, you are going to rub in little water. This is going to help it to stick to each other. All right. Okay, once that is done, you are going to get a parchment paper. It could be white, it could be brown. Okay, the first video we dusted the parchment paper with some flour. This time around we are going to rub some oil. All right, once you rub the oil, place the dough, and that's it. Very simple and easy. Repeat the same process with the other ones. You are going to arrange in an open tray just like so. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Share this video to someone who needs it. Okay? Someone need this video. Please share it to that person. Don't forget to hype. Thank you so much for hyping this video. Okay, once you are done, give them a quick massage as demonstrated. Cover and allow to proof for the second time. Another 40 minutes. Remember, it could be less than 40 minutes. Okay, the weather wasn't favorable the day I was making this video, so it was taking time to prove. Okay, now once it has proved for the second time, go ahead and deep fry gently. Throw these boys one after the other. After about 2 minutes, flip the other side to cook as well. Don't use too much heat. You know that donut does not require too much heat. Fry according to your preferred texture, or once they are golden brown like so, the boys are ready. Look at that. The color is popping and I'm loving it. Take it out of the heat. It is better to put them in separate form as demonstrated. And that's it. Very simple and easy. Do you love what you are saying? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Turn out so well. You can go ahead and enjoy just the way it is, or you can coat with sugar, mix with milk powder. That's exactly what is going on here. This part is totally optional. Now, I thought the first video was delicious, but you know what? This one is deliciousness. Super soft. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Mamma mia, look at that. It is popping. Try it and get back to me. Now that I've shared this knowledge with you for free, if you still want one-on-one on how to go about it or any of my recipe, you can reach out to me, but you are going to pay for it. Thanks for watching. Bye.